Hello everyone. Today I am here to give you a brief introduction and tutorial to West Virginia Deli. West Virginia Deli is our primary resource for ebooks and audiobooks, and these items are available through our website, which will link you to the West Virginia Deli homepage. Now, you can start from KCPL from home or the Kanawha County Library website, and then scroll down until you find the link for West Virginia Deli. If you prefer to use a mobile app, you would want to use the Libby app, which is listed here, as that will give you access to the materials on your mobile device. On the browsers, we just click on the link here, and that will take us to the West Virginia Deli website. Anytime you get to the Deli site, I strongly suggest you sign in, as there are items that are only available to you when you are signed in. In this case, we will choose the Kanawha County Library, type in the library card number, and then our PIN. Once you press sign in, it will sign you in to Deli, and that is it. It will not ask you for an email address or any other login credentials at this time. From here, you can perform a search for any item that you are looking for. In this case, as I've had questions about Stephen King and his materials, I will choose Stephen King. And this will look everywhere in an item reference, title, author, and the book description. This also defaults to searching for everything. As you can see, we have 244 results here for Stephen King, and that includes the ebooks and the audiobooks, as well as items that are not available to us or that are coming soon. If you find an item that is of interest and you see place a hold, that means the item is currently checked out and you can place a hold on it and be put on the wait list. In that case, if you hit place hold, it will ask you for an email address that you can type in and place the hold. It will then notify you when the item is available. If you are using the Libby app, the notice will be sent directly to your phone and you will be able to download that way. If you find an item that is available, I always suggest to click on the cover first to double check and make sure it is the item you are looking for. We do have items in Deli that are in other languages, and you will want to make sure that the item that you are getting is in a language that you would prefer. Once you confirm that information, you can simply press the borrow button here, and you'll be presented with a box similar to this. It will default to 14 days unless you've already changed this. You can borrow items in Deli for 7, 14, or 21 days. In this case, since I know I'll get through this rather quickly, I will choose 7 days and then press borrow. You'll be presented with a screen that looks like this, saying that it's been checked out to you until your due date, and you can borrow, in this case, 9 more titles. Deli allows you to check out 10 items at a time. Now, if you are using a computer, you can download the MP3 audiobooks or the PDF ebooks to your device, but you will need the Overdrive Media Console, the Libby app, or Adobe Digital Editions, depending on the format that you go for. If you are using a computer, I usually suggest to stick with the browser function unless you need to be offline a little more often. Now, if this were an ebook, you would be able to have this sent to your Kindle if that is your preference. And if you are using the mobile device, again, it will be on your list of checkouts there. Now, in this case, since I mentioned Kindle, I'm going to just step back here, and I'm going to choose our big library read, as there is currently no wait on this title. I just simply press the borrow button, going to again change this to 7 days and borrow, and I can use the read now in Kindle option to have the book sent directly to my Kindle instead. This will have me go through Amazon and choose the device to send it to. If you are curious what you have checked out, you can simply press the book icons that are up here in the top right-hand side, and you will see the list of your checkouts and when they are due. If you ever need to return an item, you can hit the return button here, or if you wish to check the item out in your browser or have it resent to a device, you can have those functions listed here. That concludes our very brief introduction to West Virginia Deli. Should you have any further questions about that, please do not hesitate to contact us through our website or the Kanawha County Library Facebook page. Have a good day and enjoy West Virginia Deli.